Welcome to Tech News Update. Here are today's top stories. Foxconn and Nvidia are in discussions to deploy humanoid robots at Foxconn's new Houston factory to manufacture Nvidia's GB300 AI servers. This marks the first use of humanoid robots in Nvidia's AI server production and Foxconn's initial application of such robots in an AI server production line. Constellation Energy announced that the 3 Mile Island nuclear power plant in Pennsylvania may resume operations in 2027, a year earlier than anticipated. This development follows a 20-year power purchase agreement with Microsoft, aimed at supporting the tech giant's expanding AI infrastructure. Leaked images suggest that the upcoming iPhone 17 Air will feature a front-facing camera positioned on the left side of the dynamic island. JCB has introduced 3 Android rugged smartphones, targeting field professionals in industries such as construction and logistics. Cybercriminals are increasingly abusing large language models to assist in hacking activities, raising concerns about AI's role in cybersecurity threats. That's all for today's Tech News Update. Stay tuned for more developments in the tech world.